I forget the hotkey actually.
Win S.
Yeah.
So win S to track. So then we go ahead and say something 7, 5, 9, 3.
Now notice the light green colors on the right, the notifications.
Yeah, those are the places where I'm clicking.
Well, it's
There
just
you
telling
go.
you the code you have. But now if you go change it, I forget which was that saying. So go ahead and go into your preferences or
Okay, so
finish.
let me stop it. Yeah, so I stopped it. Now I can go to here,
Yeah.
preferences.
And change it to be instead of window, change it to screen
Okay.
and save. And now Windows S again. Now notice those are a little different colors, right? Um, what was funny was I said I want to have a little bit of a different color in this so I know which mode I'm in while I'm clicking. I can be like, oh crap, that's the wrong one, right? What made me laugh was AI implemented it. I looked at the code and I'm like, what? Um, so go look at the notify where it's just telling stuff. There we go. And you can see it. So it wrote a ternary in our notify class for making the color changes. And I'm
Yes.
like, I would never have thought of that approach. I don't know about you guys, but it really just made me laugh. I'm like, what is it doing here? And I'm like, oh wow. Yeah,
I
it
think that's a great example of very interesting. I would say whenever you have two options and only two options,
yeah,
a ternary makes a total sense because you just
right,
check for the thing you're looking for, and it could be either this or that.
right.
As soon as you have more than two options,
Yeah,
this becomes a little bit more troublesome. It's not impossible, it's just
right.
unreadable. But this is what AI is really good at, coming up with these kind of things, because it knows it has seen a lot of examples. And then you don't have to duplicate the code, because the other way around is you say an if statement here, if window is this, right? If that's true, then you're going to do a notify class with all of this, but then you're going to do all these options. So you would do this, this, this. All right, so that's what you would do here. And then you have to duplicate the whole thing just to do the other one.
Right.
So, which is now an else statement, right? With the other one. So look at how many lines I'm doing when I can just go Control Z here and have it compact and still readable, which is the other point. Like,
Well,
this is great
and
for
let's
reading. Like, that's easy to understand.
and if you wanted to change the icon, it's very easy to be like, oh, I'll change the icon too.
And it changes for both at the same time. You don't have to change it in two places. That's right. That's a very cool example of that.
Yeah, no, that tool is again, it's for quick and dirty stuff, but boy, it's very handy and works. Really gives you some good code.
Yeah.
They released that one.